Here's a Canva plus ChatGPT hack to create 10 reels in 10 minutes. Or TikToks or short videos. Let me show you. Step 1, you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to type, give me 10 helpful tips about your topic. I picked digital products without quotation marks. Next, it's going to generate your tips right here. Step 2, you're going to copy and paste them into a brand new Google Sheet like this. And you're going to click on File, Download, and download as a CSV file. Step 3, open Canva. Choose a reel template and customize it with your fonts and colors. You know, got your name, face, and handle and all that stuff. Hit me up if you want this template to play with. Step 4, you're going to click on Apps on Canva. Select Bulk Create. Upload CSV. Select your file. You'll see this populate here. Right-click on the quote and click Connect Data. And then click on this text. Then click Continue. And make sure all of these are selected. And then click on Generate. And boom, I just generated 10 reels. Then export these and post them on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels. Follow me for more marketing and digital product tips.